Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a WFR or WFL 311002. Now, this is the outer belt line. It fits the 02 to 08 quad cab and the 06 to 09 mega cab. You can get this part individually, as a pair, just the outers, or as a four-piece kit for the front doors that include the outer and the inners. It's a pretty basic job. All you need is a screwdriver. Let's get started. This is our R&D door. You'll notice that we lowered the glass already. You don't need to do this, but it will make the job easier. You'll also notice we don't have a mirror. What we highly recommend is to loosen up the door panel. You get access to these 3 bolts here. Loosen them up, and that'll give you enough play in your mirror housing to get this part on and off much more easily. Now that you have your mirror loosened, the next step is to remove the 1 screw right here on the back of the door. Now the screw removed, next step you can take your Weatherstrip installation tool, knead it, and kind of pry up on this. And this should slide up and pull back a little bit, and it'll come right off. To install a new belt line, all you need to do is take the part and put it right on the flange here. And normally you'd have your mirror here, and you just slide it right underneath your mirror housing, so it's kind of tight, and then work your way back. Make sure it lines up good. Before you push it all the way down, make sure your screw holes line up with the hole in the door. It is. Then you can just push it all the way down, making sure that you seat it completely. The last step is to put the screw back in the back of the door. Snug it up, you don't have to over tighten it, and you're done.